All right. This is positive 3. Again, so hang on. Major issue. This is a negative sloping line. So I have positive 3, down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2. Draw my line in.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why couldn't you just, like, once you get 2y equals 3x plus 6, why don't you just, like make x 0?
You can do that. That's fine. That would totally work. This is the deal. We have to start graphing in this y equals mx plus b format.
I don't understand that.
What don't you understand about it?
It confuses me. Why?
What?
And
Okay, then ask the question. What confuses you? What the parts mean?
Yeah.
Okay. M is your slope. B is where your line crosses the y-axis, which is called your y-intercept. Now, if you look back in your notes and on the videos from yesterday, I defined this. Okay? Everybody but Rose was here last year. And we did this last year. Okay, so this is number 17. This line right here is y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 3. Let's check out this one. This is good. This work looks good. Subtract 2x from both sides. Get 5y is equal to negative 2x plus 10. Divide everything by 5. This equation looks good. This graph looks good, except it's not straight. That's fine. Okay, I want to see you writing these down in your notebook. Okay, this one. Somebody tell me. Okay, Rose, you're up. What do I do first?
Subtract 3x.
I always move my x, and that's going to be constant for all the time. So this is 0. I'm left with negative 5y is equal to negative 3x plus 10. What's my next move? Nick, the Brandon?
Divide by y.
Divide by what?
Negative 5y.
Good, just negative 5. If I divide by negative 5y, I'm going to be equal to 1. I want it to be equal to y. So I'm going to divide by what's next to it. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, and I get 1y. Y is equal to negative 3 divided by 5 is what, Steve? Negative by the negative is? Yeah. 3 over 5. X. 10 divided by negative 5 is what, Peter?
2 over 1.
How about
2.
Negative 2. Positive, negative equals negative 2. All right, somebody tell me directions for how to graph this line, not you, because I know you know. Because I just checked your blue line.
I got all the right answers, but I did that.
Wait, what?
I don't know what you did there.
Yes.
You got to go this way.
It's pretty
All right, Nick, give me directions.
Go to negative 2 on the y.
Very good. I start at negative 2 on my y-axis, and now how do I go from there, Nick?
Go up 3 over to the right 5 times.
Up 3 over 5. Ready? Put your pencil on your paper or on your axis. Let's go.
I understand.
Up 3. 1, 2, 3 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 3 over 5. Down 3 over 5. Draw my line in. And there's my line. Okay? Let's look at the last one. This looks good. Okay, write it down. We have x minus 3y equals 9. Subtract x from both sides. I'm left with, this is good. Who did this one? Good job, Nick. He remembered this negative sign. Negative 3y is equal to negative x plus 9. Divide everything through by negative 3, positive, negative. Good job, Nick. So this is the line. Start at negative 3, go up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. This looks great.
I
So-
thought you had to do like the, like the x and then the y and then when x
Okay,
equals 0.
that's one way to graph. This is a much more efficient way to do it. So that's our first way. We can do that. And you can always do that. But let's do a more efficient way.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Would you be able to add negative 5y to both sides and then subtract 10 from both sides to get 5?
To get everything positive. Yeah, it will do exactly the same thing. So what, you want to do 3x minus 5y equals 10, add 5y,
Yeah.
and you get 3x equals 10 plus 5y, subtract 10, and you get 3x minus 10 equals 5y. You still divide everything through by 5. So you still have y equals 3 over 5x minus 2. Same thing.
Okay.
No matter what you do, it will always be the same thing if you do it correctly. Joe, don't. Good try. All right, we need to do some major practice with this. Don't write down what's on the board because that's obviously wrong. Let's see if I can fit all this in a frame. Hey, Peter, can you move your backpack so I can scoot this back?
All the right answers.
Okay, well, you got to do it my way, Joe.
We need more practice with this.
Steve Walker, because you didn't do it for homework, buddy.
Doesn't mean I don't know how to do it.
Well, you haven't proven it to me. The only people I know what they're doing right now are Jacob and Nick. Those are the only two that have shown me they know what's going on. So the rest of y'all got some work to do. And I do have an exit slip for you at the end of the day.
Everyone got it right on the board.
That's not
Nobody did that one. This one was done.
That one was
Oddly.
done beautifully.
All right, here we go.
Joe, she gave you the answer for that one.
I still was right.
You need a new page. You need a set of axes drawn. Let's go. Don't revert back to your lazy old ways, Steve.
Isn't it axi?
Axes. Nope. Axes. Sorry. All right. So we needed to talk about parallel lines today.
Darn it.
What are
Really quick.
Jake, do you want a ruler? Here. That one's probably yours.
All right.
Do we need them 10 by 10?
Yeah. 10 by 10 would be great.
This is so dumb. I hate this.
All right. Here is classwork 172. Our objective today is to graph lines in slope-intercept form and state whether they are parallel or not.
That's easy.
All right. Let's start with these two lines. How about orange and red? All right, I have two lines. Their equation is line 1 is 2x plus y equals 8, and line 2 is 2x plus y equals 6. I would like for everybody, so in order to get out of my class today, if you are not Nick or Jacob, every single person in here has to tell me at some point today the slope-intercept form of an equation.
Y equals mx plus b.
No, that's the slope-intercept standard form. Okay? So, I'm waiting. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people left. So I have to do at least 7 equations. I can do that.
Can I do one of these?
You can just tell me what you did.
I minus 2x everywhere.
All right. So what do you got, Anthony?
I subtracted 2x from both sides.
Subtract 2x, subtract 2x. This is 0. So y equals,
8 minus 2x.
let's put it in. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b.
2x minus
Nope.
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x.
The negative sign goes with the 2.
I'm going to show you what negative 2x.
This is easy and fun.
And then I divided y. Y.
No. I want y to be here because I want to have a conversation with you about it. Because I want to know if you're getting confused and I want to fix your problem today, not tomorrow. Okay? I want y to stay there. what's the coefficient? What's the number that's next to y here?
Or 1.
1. So if I divide by 1, doesn't something maintain its value?
Yeah.
So I don't have to do anything. Once I have y all by itself, this is the slope-intercept form of my equation. Brandon,
What's the next one?
you want to do the next one? All right.
So am I good?
You're good. But I might ask you again. All right, Brandon, what do I do?
Negative 2.
They're
Both sides.
Subtract 2x from both sides, right? You meant 2x, right? All right, and what's my slope-intercept form of this equation?
Y equals negative 2 plus 6.
X. Okay, let's look at this. Y. If I have just y equals negative 2 plus 6, what does y equal? Negative 2 plus 6.
4.
4.
they're parallel.
Totally different. This is just a number. When it has the x attached to it, that indicates that it's the slope of my line. All right, who's going to give me directions for how to graph this first one? All right, Rose.
Wait, step on.
I will.
All right, Joe.
Go to 8 on the y-axis.
Positive or negative?
Positive. 'cause
Okay,
that's a plus
2,
eight.
4, 6, 8. I should see all pencils. I should hear pencils moving behind me, and I should hear your rulers. Go ahead, pick it up. Okay. All right. And then what do I do, Rose? Or who's giving me directions here?
I am.
Joe?
Alright, you go down 2, over 1.
Which way do I go over?
To the right.
Okay.
And then
Down
keep
2,
it.
over 1, down 2, over 1. And I draw in
Can we just get 2?
my line. That's fine. Is this like Steve Walker's minimalistic man?
Why do you have to do 1?
Because I like to draw a really straight line, and I didn't. So I was trying to eyeball it. All right. Somebody else give me directions. How am I going to graph the second line? All right, Peter.
You go to positive 6.
Thank you. On my y-axis. And then what do I do?
Then you go down 2 over 1 to the right.
Good. All right.
They're parallel.
Yes. These lines are parallel. Who wants to tell me what's... You kick his desk one more time.
He's scooting it.
Stop.
He's scooting
Stop.
We'll be ugly.
Yeah.
All right. Who notices something about these two lines besides the fact that they're parallel? Look at their equations. Yes, they are parallel. Brandon?
We both go down to over 1.
All right. Brandon said this.
Scooting my desk.
He's being right there. You're just being dramatic. All right. Look. They both. Can you? Who wants to repeat what Brandon just said? Because I don't think anybody was listening.
I will.
I did.
I would love to.
Nick.
They both have negative 2x.
They both have negative 2x. All right. Sure. Whatever. That's fine. What does this negative 2x mean? Anthony?
Slope.
They both. Write this down. Both lines have the same slope. Okay, ready for some notation? Therefore, this means therefore, they are parallel. All right, are we okay?
Yes.
Next example. I'm going to erase this. You okay? Can I erase?
Nick, are you okay?
Draw another set of axes. Nope.
What if you didn't use yours?
Why didn't you use them? You didn't draw these lines in?
It was
She's
too
missing
little.
it.
My axis was too little. So I had to draw it bigger.
You're missing it.
All right. Let's do another example. Let's look at this one right here. Example 2. My first line is 4x minus y equals 1. If you still owe me a conversion in the slope-intercept, get a working, get a thinking.
Do I
And,
agree
nope, not yelling out. 8x plus 2y equals 2. Some people, hi. Oh. Some people still owe me. Who still owes me?
Do I owe you?
What, did you answer one of the orange or red
I
ones?
should try to like draw it.
Mm-mm.
Alright, I'll do
I
the
said you
I'll do
owe
the
me
first
it
one.
in slope-intercept form. All right, Steve wants to go. All right, Steve, how do I turn this into slope-intercept form?
Subtract the work.
Good. Like your verbiage. Subtract 4x from both sides. And what am I left with, Steve? Nope.
Negative y equals negative 4x plus 1.
Okay.
And like divide both sides by negative 1.
Divide everything through by negative 1. Good job, Steve. And what am I left with?
Y equals negative 4x. Positive 4x plus negative minus 1.
Good. All right. Who wants to tell me how to graph this?
I'll just tell you the next
Jacob?
Get a negative 1 on the y,
Very good.
and then go up 4 over 1.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1. All right. I'm going to draw on my line nice and straight. All right, there we go. Now, who wants to convert this? Who owes me? Peter?
I do.
We're going to go with Peter, and you can do next.
one. And then I have the next one.
Okay.
Because I
You
don't
subtract negative 8x from both sides.
How do I move that negative 8x?
You add it.
Add it. All right, plus 8x. Plus 8x, and what do I get?
2y equal 8x plus 2.
Okay, what's my next
Divide
one?
all by 2.
What am I left with?
Y equal 4x plus 2 plus 1.
All right, who wants to tell me how to graph this?
Me.
Rose?
Okay, you go up 4.
From where?
exact
Your
same
organ.
My origin. Okay, but Rose, where do I begin?
Right in the positive.
Hang on.
It's the same line.
You have to tell me.
1.
It's not the same line, Joe. Here's my first line. Here's my second line. Okay.
You start in the middle on your
All right, I start here and I do what?
Go up 4.
No.
Go down 1.
No.
Down 1.
I have to go to my y-intercept. I have to start here.
1.
So I go to 1. This is a point on my line.
Anthony, calm down.
All right, Rose, tell me how to move again.
Okay, go over 4.
Which way? Up 4,
That's
over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. What's going to happen with these lines?
We're gonna cross.
No.
Be parallel.
They're going to be parallel. Now, mine might look like they're going to cross because down 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. All right. These lines are parallel.
What?
How can I tell just from looking at the equations of these two lines that they are parallel? Peter?
They're the same slope.
They're same slope, so they are parallel. Same slope, therefore parallel.
Can I do the other?
All right, Rose owes me some.
I owe you some.
All right, last one. Here we go.
Steve, your head's on the
I
camera.
am going to change the homework, so hang on, don't write it down yet. I couldn't actually remember exactly what we did yesterday because we were off from that day I let you work on science fair. So now I know. All right. Example. I think we're on example 3. First line. Who still owes me an equation so that you can leave my room?
Jacob,
All right.
she said you didn't have to.
Yeah, no.
I
Can
definitely.
I do the second one?
Can I do the first one?
I did the first one.
Jake, I have to do one.
I want to do the second
All right.
Wait.
All right. Rose, you want to do the first one? All right, Rose.
Subtract x from both sides.
Thanks, ma'am. Subtract x, subtract x. What am I left with, Rose?
Negative 2y equals negative x
Uh-huh.
plus 1.
Very good. What's my next move?
Divide by 2. Negative.
Yep.
Negative 2.
What am I left with?
Y equals negative 2x. Negative x over 2.
There's a 1 right there.
Negative 1x.
Negative divided by a negative is a?
Positive x.
So I have 1 over 2x.
Plus 1 over
This is 1 divided by negative 2, which is minus
2. 1. So it's
1 over 2.
Negative 1. What?
1 over 2, we're just going to write as half. 1 divided by 2 is half. So I'm just going to write it like that.
Okay.
You don't have to do anything else. All right, good job, Rose. All right, who owes me one? Anthony owes me one, I think.
No, he already did one.
You already did one?
First
All right, Joe.
You subtract, you plus 2x to both sides.
Plus.
Yes.
How about that?
Yeah, that too.
Add 2x, add 2x. What do I get, Joe?
You get 4y equals 2x plus 9.
Okay, what's my
Then
next
you
move, Joe?
divide 4 all across the board.
What? Okay.
And then you get y equals 1/2 x plus like something.
It's like 4 goes in there 2 times with 1/4 left over. All right, we're not going to graph these.
They are parallel.
We could, it's not a problem. We just have these fractional y-intercepts. Tell me why these are parallel, Aiden Wonky.
They're the same slope.
Yes, same slope. Same slope, same slope, thus parallel. Who still owes me something?
No
I
one.
think you owe me.
I don't think so.
Which one did you do?
He did one.
The one you just asked me.
Where?
No, he did one of the first ones when you like.
No.
Yeah,
I don't think so.
Yeah,
I think Aiden's bluffing.
No.
All right.
Blushes.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, Aiden, here's one for you. You're just going to convert it for me. All right, last example.
I don't feel like
Oh, all right, example 4. This is a good one. 3x equals 2y. Go.
Aiden.
Subtract 3x.
Do I need to subtract 3x?
Wait, no.
No, this is Aiden. Oh, no.
Let's put in the 0.
This is so easy.
All right,
I know this
Plus
one.
0.
how about I'll rewrite it for you.
Come on.
2y equals 3x.
This is so easy. Plus 0.
I know.
All right, Aiden wants plus 0.
Times.
So what do I do there, Aiden?
You subtract 2 from both sides.
No, you don't.
Subtract 2 from both sides.
All right, what do I do, Aiden Wonky?
Aiden's trying to do this.
Oh, this is killing me.
Subtract 3x. Subtract 3x.
You divide.
I want, nope, don't. Aiden, I want it to be in y equals mx plus b form. So, so far my b is 0.
I think you divide.
I need to get y all by itself. What do I do?
I think you divide.
By,
2.
okay, divide everything through by 2.
Please hold your applause.
Hold on,
That was quite easy.
we're not done.
That was quite easy.
Aiden, what am I left with?
Y equals 3 over 2x plus 0. Dang it.
All right,
Please.
how do I graph this?
You know. Oh, you
You
started.
started at 0.
I started 0.
And then you go
How do I go?
up 3 over 2.
Up 3, left or right?
Right.
Oh, I need
Right. Up 3 over 2, or down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2. Drawing my line. I don't understand why you guys are watching the song, show, and dance up here. Graph the line and write it down. Come on. Jeez, little Pete's. What was that? Alrighty. Homework. I'm going to change your homework. Because I don't, what's on the board where'd my book go? You're right there.
Bless you.
Alrighty.
No.
Homework.
Dude, you get hurt by everything.
I did have an exit slip that I
Yeah.
wanted you to do, but it's too late now.
I'm
We'll just
very
do it as an
dramatic.
entrance
Thanks
slip
for reminding
tomorrow.
me.
Alright. I'm changing the directions. You are going to grab page 368, number 2 through.
Stop the camera. Stop it. Why? You're not supposed to touch the camera.
Okay, excuse me.
Ground.
What? Aiden,
I didn't.
turn it the other way.
Aiden, stop. Here, I'll put it towards the
Goes
board.
this way.
There we
Alright.
go. We're
Listen. Listen to me. You need to write this down. You can only put 3 lines on one set of axes. 3